Kia ora guys, it's Pencil Boy here, and today I'll be drawing the native bird of New Zealand, the Kiwi. Just to clear things up, this is a kiwi bird, and this is a kiwi fruit. Hello, I'm Pencil Boy, and I'm from Aotearoa, aka New Zealand. Population 4.6 million people, so we're quite a small country. You may have thought I was from Australia, but I'm really not. New Zealanders are naturally warm and friendly people who love to get together and joke around. Here in New Zealand, we have lots of native birds. One of our most endangered birds is the kiwi. Kiwis are flightless birds that eat insects and worms. They have great big feet and long beaks to dig out those worms. And there we go, New Zealand in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed drawing this kiwi. Like, subscribe to join me on my art journey. See you next week.